1. Material. Aluminum alloy, color, black. 2. Fits for any standard 7/8, 22 mm, diameter handlebars of ATV, motorcycle, bike, etc. Thread size. 10 mm, 0.39 inches. 3. It can be used to fix your motorcycle handlebar mirror. 4. Easy to install and convenient to carry. 5. Make sure it fits your bike before purchasing. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly. I changed my bike from a hand clutch to a foot clutch on my Rat Rod Chopper 1980 XJ 650 Maxim. When I did that I lost my left mirror mounting point, and these are perfect for the job.